Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Forerunner 945 and I'm gonna show you how to uninstall applications on this watch. First we need to open the menu on our watch, and you can do it by pressing and holding the up button. After the menu opens, you can use the down button to scroll down through the menu. Select the option called Activities and Apps. Once you select it, press the start button, and here scroll through the list, find the application you want to uninstall, for example this one, and if you want to uninstall the app, press the start button once you select it, then scroll down, and at the bottom you will see the option called delete from device. Select it, then press the start button, and then press down button to select continue, and press the start button to confirm, and the app will be uninstalled from your watch. And once you're done, you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you uninstall the applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.